come along with me for a mini maintenance day. So first we're gonna do a little get ready with me. We're going to get my volume lashes done. I realized that my lashes are already done in this clip, but I didn't have time to shoot before I left, so yeah, I shot after I got home, so sorry y'all. No lash reveal, but I'll show you guys what the lashes look like close up at the end of the video. Anyways, this is my outfit, and I am wearing Mysterious, which is a Britney Spears fantasy dupe from Giant Tiger. You need a lot, and you kind of go nose blind, so you don't really notice the scent, but when I take my clothes off and smell it the next day, I can definitely smell the perfume. And this is the purse I wore. Sorry, y'all, I did not get a shot of the entire outfit altogether. We are at Ever Beauty Spa. We're having a bit of a maintenance day. I'm here to do my lashes. I'm getting volume lash extensions, and I got the I paid for it on Groupon, so I got a discount to get my lashes done. And I am moving out probably today or tomorrow, so my coupon expires August 23rd, so before I leave London, I wanted to get my lashes done real quick just to make sure that my coupon doesn't expire before I get back in town. So let's see how it goes. Hi. Yeah, so these are the lashes. I went with 12 millimeters. They also had 20 millimeters available. That's my usual look, more dramatic, but I went with these because like I might be meeting people in a professional setting, so yeah.